Welcome back to the Multi-Site YouTube channel. If you've got a kite shop and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're certainly in the right place. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the Multi-Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the platform just yet, we built Multi-Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, give it a go, sign up for that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, kite shop. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's summarize these sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's change this to retail, click on continue, and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, very stunning images. They're all completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got images of all the various kites you stock in your store. You want to showcase them on your website or your unique products. You can do that. You can make amendments to your websites. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or be a web professional, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with the process either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in our email address. Over here, we want to make sure that email address is visible on our website, so let's tick the box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number in over here. That is click to call, by the way. For your physical location, let's pop that in over here. When your website is live and your customers click on that physical location, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo, head on over to update logo in the next section over here. Browse your device to upload your logo. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, maybe add filters or frames, you can click on the pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right, you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you want to change the colors on your multi-sites website that were pre-selected for you, you can do so. No color coding needed. Click on the paint bucket bottom right-hand corner and choose through the various color palettes that are available for you to use. Now, for each section that you would like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, or completely free for you to use. Play around with the keywords a little bit and see what images pop up. Under update actions, where you can change that button text to suit your needs. Currently says contact us today. You can change it and you can link your button to various places. Under update content is where you can make amendments to that copy, the website content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. Under the About Us section, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be and how you got into this industry. In the last section over here is where you can pop in your business details, trading hours, so your customers know exactly when your business is open. They will be displayed in the section over here once you've put them in. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on Connect Your Domain. Click on this button over here to set it up. Otherwise, purchase a custom domain via clicking on the green button to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your kite shop. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.